So why should I buy yet another course? I've personally bought over a dozen courses myself, and every time it never fails. I'm taking a course and I say, okay, I'm going to implement what I learned. I'm going to learn and I'm going to put it to use. And it never fails that. And I'm going through the course, and after a few weeks, I jump on to the next thing. I jump on to the next shiny thing because I'm not getting the results that I'm looking for with this course. And at the end of the day, it's results that I'm paying for. I'm trying to get certain results, and when I'm not getting them with one thing, I try the next, and then I try the next, and I fail to see that I need to fully implement what I'm learning before I jump on to the next thing. And again, this course, it's a 2 week course. It's a 2 week program that I will take you through that'll help you implement small steps. This is what helped me. I took a 30-day challenge, and every day they gave me a different task, a different action to take. One of the biggest things that held me back for so long was not having a clear roadmap, a clear map of what I should be doing from day one, day two, day three, day four. I didn't fully know what I should be focusing on, what I should be doing. I did a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of that. And I was just too overwhelmed with all the information, with everything that I felt that I needed to do. And I just didn't know how to organize it and put it together and say, okay, today I need to do this, tomorrow I need to do that. And when I took this 30-day challenge, it cleared everything up for me. It just made it so simple and so easy. And that's why I'm doing this 2 week course. And the main reason why I'm charging for it is because if I give it to you for free, you probably won't use it. You won't implement what I'm teaching you. You'll probably just put it in the back of all the courses. You probably have multiple courses already, and you won't get to this one if I give it to you for free. I'm only charging $27, which isn't a lot of money, but it's something to get you to take action, to get you to actually commit and say, okay, I'm going to follow this course for 2 weeks. Every day I'll do a small task, and then I'll see where I go from there. And again, I'm breaking down a 30-day challenge that I did. I'm putting it together in 2 weeks to give you small steps to implement. This is key when you have something to do. Okay, today I need to do this. It'll take me 15 to 20 minutes. Tomorrow I have something else. And when you pile them up and you stack them up on each other, by the end of the 2 weeks or by the end of the month, you'll have something put together. And again, I don't want to go too much into detail here, but I really, really urge you to take this 2 week course with me. I'll have a Facebook group that I'll be able to help you in. I'll have a live trainings there, and it's going to make it a lot easier for you if you break things down and say, okay, what do I do today? What do I do tomorrow? And I have a few bonuses that I offer. And again, I don't want to take too long on this video and explain everything to you, but I'll teach you what you need to do. And again, there's a lot out there online. There's a lot of gurus. There's a lot of stuff, and they all have a lot of great things to teach. But at the end of the day, they don't help to get the real results that we're looking for. They'll give you a bunch of stuff and you'll learn a lot of great stuff, but they don't break things down. Okay, do this, then this, then this, then this, then you'll get the results. And the biggest factor the biggest key that's missing on most courses is the traffic part. How do I get people to my website? How do I get people to my funnel? How do I get people to my service, to my product, to my offer? And a lot of gurus will tell them, go on Facebook, do this, go do PPC, go do paid ads on YouTube, on Facebook. And I've tried them all. I've tried just about every paid traffic you can think of, and I found the greatest one that most super affiliates use. These guys that are underground guys that they don't really show their face on YouTube or Facebook a lot, but they're killing the game because they found a traffic source that they can drive hundreds or thousands of targeted people to their offers within a day or two. And which is why, it's a numbers thing. You drive 100,000 people to your website, a small percentage of those people are going to buy. Most of them aren't going to buy. You follow up with email through email automation using autoresponder. You follow up with these people, you create a relationship with them, you keep promoting different offers. And some guys have figured this out, most of us haven't, and we go in there, we spend hundreds, some of us thousands of dollars on some coaching programs, yet we don't get the results we want. And because the main factor is because we're missing the traffic part. How do I get targeted traffic with little or no money spent? And again, I don't want to take too long on this video, but I really strongly urge you to take this 2 week challenge with me. Click on the link below, take the challenge with me. It's only $27. You don't have a lot to lose, but I guarantee you I will give you more content and more information than you've gotten with courses you've paid hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. I'm going to break everything down for you, and I'm going to give you things and information that A lot of people are going to hate me for it, but I guarantee you will love me for what I'm going to show you. So go ahead, click on the link below, and I'll see you on the inside.